In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number in Shopify, a crucial step for those doing business in countries where VAT registration is required. Understanding how to add this information correctly can help ensure compliance and streamline your business operations. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the main hub where you'll be managing your store and its settings. Upon entering your credentials, you'll be brought to the dashboard. From here, locate the Settings section, which is typically found at the lower left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a new page will open with various options related to your store's configuration. What we're looking for is the Taxes option, which deals directly with the tax settings for your store. Selecting this will bring you to a page dedicated to setting up tax rates for your products. Here, you might find tax regions that Shopify automatically detects based on your store's information. Take a moment to ensure this information is accurate, as it will directly affect the VAT application. Now, within this page, search for a section titled Tax Regions, which lists the countries or regions where you plan to sell products. If you've set up your store for a specific region with applicable VAT, it should appear here. Select the region you're interested in editing or adding a VAT number to. A new menu related to that region's tax settings will appear. Once inside the region's tax settings, find and click on Collect VAT. It's worth noting that this option might be differently labeled depending on your location or the specific updates to Shopify's interface, but it generally relates to VAT collection settings. Now you'll see an entry field labeled VAT number. This field is where you input your unique VAT identification number provided by the tax authorities in your region. Enter your VAT number carefully. Make sure that there are no spaces or typos, as errors here can lead to compliance issues or miscalculated tax rates in your store. After entering your VAT number, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking on it will ensure your VAT number is correctly integrated into your store's tax settings. Finally, double-check your changes by revisiting the tax section to confirm that your VAT number is displayed correctly. This final step ensures that everything is set up properly and you're ready to operate under the correct tax regulations for your region. And there you have it. You've successfully added a VAT number to your Shopify store. Following these steps will help you stay compliant with your local tax regulations while running a smooth online business. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you.